Okay, so you just bought your new car. You're excited and you're looking online already for your first new mod. You're browsing, and you finally find just what you're looking for. You reach for your credit card, you add to cart, and you finally buy it. Knowing that you are in debt already, so you just cry to yourself just to feel a little bit better. There, World Easy, let it out. Let it all out. Now, the dreadful wait. Could be days, weeks, but you finally hear the doorbell ring. Congrats, it's your package.
It's finally here. And now we have this here, it's time to put this on the car. Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. It's your boy Will Deezy. Welcome back. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Today, got a package in today, and we're gonna do a quick, easy, kind of beginner install on the Lexus IS350. Should be a quick tutorial, so follow along. Let's go to the garage. Alright, what is up, you guys? So pretty much the package that I got in today is pretty much it's the paddle shifter extenders, which comes out of the package, comes with these guys along with the 3M tape, kind of these red packaging. I have the left one, and this obviously would be the right one here. And what else do they come out with? Also come with the Allen keys and as well the screws. Again, this you can kind of choose whether you want to do the screws or not. Personally, I'm literally just going to use the 3M tape and kind of just put it on here, because I don't really want to scratch the OEM kind of paddle shifters. They're like 40 or 50 bucks each, so I'd rather not kind of break them or kind of scratch them. So I'm literally just going to tape it on with 3M tape. So super easy. I don't need to screw anything on. So we're going to put this aside and just apply the 3M on here. Alright, so as you can see, this is I got these on eBay, iGDM Toys, 34 US, so probably like roughly around 50 bucks Canadian plus shipping. Quality is actually not bad, pretty solid, and comes with these guys here. So this is, remember, I already cleaned the inside just to make sure to wipe it down, just to make sure everything's clean, there's no dust. As well, wipe the paddle shifters to make sure everything's clean, so it kind of doesn't ruin or affect the kind of stickiness of it. So literally, remember, red side up, gray side down, line it up like this. So kind of just keep them there for now. Same thing along goes for this one here. Gray side down, red side up.
Okay, so with that being said, you know, the dash is, for stock wise, it is pretty, but if you want to spice it up a little bit, have a little bit more of a pop into your interior, then these guys definitely would make a big difference here. So how it's gonna work is, essentially, I kind of have everything all lined up here already. Kind of just, if you want to quick kind of do a test fit, this you want to just see how it look like. And it kind of just clips on into like this, and literally I would just hold there with the 3M tape just to kind of keep it. So at the end, it's literally just gonna look like this, and then it kind of is just a good, really kind of just pops, you know, really just kind of adds flavor into that steering wheel. So, you know, every time, you know, you want to upshift, oh, it just feels good on your hands there. And of course, before doing that, I have already kind of, you know, you really do have to clean like the sides just to make sure everything is, you know, speck free. That way there will be no issues applying any of, like, it won't kind of come undone, right? So just make sure you give it a good wipe, give it a good clean. Yeah. But usually what I was saying, the screws wise, the screws would fit right in here, but you don't want to mark them, right? So it's like, I don't think it's worth it. So if you want to keep it clean, then don't put the screws on. I recommend just putting in 3M, and it would literally just fit right here. Alright guys, now so the application process. So obviously we will take this little guy off first. There you go. And of course, just make sure you are cleaned. Like, make sure these are cleaned properly so there will be no issues. They would have no issues sticking on. So put it like this. Usually it should fit just around, just right. Kind of give it a good push, so, you know, maximum. You just want to make sure it's fully fitted, you know. Just want to make sure it's just fully fitted there. Kind of push along the edges there. Push along the edges here. Kind of, for me, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hold it down, you know, like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this side is good. So we're gonna put this aside now. I'm gonna put it here. All right, so now we have the right hand side now. So the plus, and now we kind of do exactly the same concept. Obviously, right side up, right side bottom. Now peel the gray side here. Again, make sure this is all clean before you apply it. And once you apply it, make sure it's very snug. Very snug. As you can see, kind of give it a good press here. Make sure all the back here is pressed well. Use your fingernails if you guys don't have fingernails. And kinda clip on through here. Literally kind of hold it here. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's kind of, you know, firmly applied. These are good. So now these are ready to go. Alright guys, so time for application now. So carefully slowly peel the red off. Probably need fingernails for sure to make this process a little bit easier. So now kind of have that off here. Peel this baby off. There you go. Good. Now make sure kind of get into the groove here. And you kind of give it a good stick on like that. And you literally hold it. So you hold it 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4, 5, 6 Mississippi, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you want to make sure all sides are kind of, you know, held. Make sure it's stuck. Because we don't want anything loose. That's for sure. We don't want anything loose. That's it. And wabam. Left hand side. Done. Just like that. And then what I was saying is the screws here, just kind of screw them in place, but I don't want to make a, you know, a dent or, you know, scratch it, right? So 3M I think is good enough. So there, that's all steady. Look at that. And it really kind of just matches, you know, red seats and this. You can't go wrong with that. So now off to the next side. Alright guys, next side, exactly same thing. Fingernails off on this guy. Bam. One rip, one drip. I don't even know if that made sense at all, but I'm just gonna roll with it, guys. Literally, bam, here we go. Literally, you kind of find the fitting in here. Want to make sure it fits snug. Fits kind of snug. You literally kind of just hold it, like literally like 1 Mississippi, 2, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now it's kind of literally stuck on there. It's like literally pretty solid. That's pretty much it. So I'll kind of show you guys like the first person view. And bam, voila guys, that's it. So as you can see, it's pretty fit, it's snug fit right there, no issues. Really adds kind of like the cool accent into this as well. Look at how tightly snugged in as well, and it looks good, literally. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Now I have the paddle shifters here. I don't think you guys can see it, but now I have the extensions here, kind of all set, ready to go. Looks pretty clean, looks pretty sleek, really matches the red on red. Very simple, quick, easy install. Honestly, probably takes less than 10 minutes to kind of prep and everything. But other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go down, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Join the DZ fam today. And yeah, hopefully if you guys want to spice up the interior, you know, literally red spice and rep the, you know, Canadian flag, red, you know, yeah, make sure to go get it. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to jump on this. I thought it was really cheap, kind of really stands out. So if you guys want to do it, I highly recommend it. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It's been your boy DZ. I'll see you guys on the next video. So DZ out. Peace out, fam.
My dream, my sway, my cool, my babe, my pies staying fat, and your boy be getting paid. My guap, a lot, I drop the top, my good is lame, my lean